pinaka-wide na.
Walang gano'n ibubugyo.
Welcome to Macy's 14th year anniversary celebration in partnership with Canon featuring Patti Limon. Aside from Canon cameras, from laptop to mobile phone, camera cases, lighting system, and of course, imagine pati wire. So, but before that, we wanted to show you some video for our. Alright. Okay. Patti made it big shooting content magazine spreads and offers from Premium Magazine. Metro, to name a few, he has found weddings to be his calling. Mr. Patti, a round of applause, please.
Salamat, thank you. Salamat guys, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Salamat po Macy's for Cesar, Michelle for bringing me here, for requesting, and for Aaron Cameron for making this happen. Sobrang excited ko kasi yung last na workshop ko. 10 years na pala dito, no? 10 years ago. Sobrang good vibes. I had the best of memories. Hindi na ka mag-attend 10 years ago. Wala. One, aware of their angles. Nowadays, because of Facebook, TikTok, and all the social media apps, no, medyo aware na yung bride ko kung anong favorite angles nila. Yeah, so ito rin, yes, ito rin, so, putting tips sa subject. So, ginagawa ko din na I arrive 3 to 4 hours before leaving April. Yun. So, when you say enter and build your presence job, I think pag yan, full body shot, body, side shot, outdoors. So, puro available light, lighting, pag naman sinahapit sa pagkakita niya, automatic, yun. And then, itong mahal, yung lady, diba? Observe na sa pagkakita niya. Then, yung at least standard mo to, diba? 4 seater na siya, right? So, all angles lahat sila. Yeah. So, if you're asking, if you're the main, if the next, kung gusto mo walking down the aisle, it's you. Yeah. Pero for me, masakit na dito. Hirap ako dito. Ang tagal. Yeah. So, floater ako. I'm here. So, first reaction, pag-open ng door. Yeah. Hindi ito trabaho ng videographer. Hindi ito yung video. Yeah. Yeah. Look at each other, guys. Yeah, so kick. Parang yung gano'n na, yeah, good job, is quite something na. And from there, after I will do it for Saudi. Ngayon, pagkakas ko tayo tayo sa Saudi, diba? One, two, three, is not kanina, one, two, Saudi. Sapatos, diba? Maganda. Ano yung siguro mo? Diba? Baka pagkamalang ka something else. Hindi ka na lang. Ginawa kang assistant, diba? So, if you carry yourself, they will respect you more. Mas hawak ng content.